Adventurers and adventurers, get ready for another stop. Get ready for the close encounter of the scary kind, at the Palawan Crocodile Farm. This is not just your typical zoo. Here you will be immersed in the world of crocodiles, learning about these fascinating creatures and the vital role they play in our ecosystem. See different species of crocodiles up close, from the mighty saltwater crocodile to the smaller freshwater crocodile. You can discover their unique habitats, their incredible adaptations, and the threats they face in the wild. But it is not just about seeing these amazing reptiles. The crocodile farm is dedicated to conservation. They work tirelessly to protect these animals and ensure their survival. You will learn about the threats they face and the efforts being made to preserve them for future generations. So everyone, if you're looking for an adventure that's both educational and thrilling, Palawan Crocodile Farm is a must visit. Get ready to be amazed by these prehistoric creatures and learn about the importance of protecting our planet biodiversity.